Good morning. I'm beside myself with joy this morning because of all that God is doing in Christian early education. God is on the move. We are in the midst of our Reignite conference season. We are fanning the flames of passion for Christian early education. And 3 years ago, we were culturally responsive. We went virtual and had a conference that had closed caption translations. Last year, we had our first event that had American Sign Language translation. And this weekend, I tell you, God is on the move. In San Antonio, Texas, we have a workshop that will be translated live in Spanish. I am so excited because if you know anything about the Lord, He has the nations and generations on His heart. So I invite you to join us for Bible integrated, evidence based, competency aligned professional development opportunities near you that are going to ignite the flames of fire, fan them, stir up the gifts, help you fall in love with the Lord again, and the desire to serve the lambs of the flock. Join me February 16th and 24th for a virtual conference. You can find out more about it on our website at www.acsi.org. We have top speakers in child development, Christian education, biblical worldview, trauma-informed practices, authentic leadership, and so much more. You don't want to miss it. God bless.